study, learn, collect. It's all another way to learn. I'm all about the science, baby. Yeah, science, bitch. Hello, my little vultures. So, it is March. It is time for an unboxing, and it is actually Friday the 13th. So, yeah, right after this, I'm gonna go ahead and marathon some Friday the 13th videos and have some fun. But I wanted to go ahead and first dive right into our bone box for this month, because what a perfect day to go ahead and be opening this up. I had a little bit of bad luck today, but oh well, that happens. Because you know, 'tis the season. 'Tis the season to be murderous. Onto the box. So, our first little item of the box is, oh, it's an alligator tooth, but that totally does not look like a tooth. That looks more like a claw or something. But let me hold it up. That is the alligator tooth. And that is priced at $3. And then we have our skull of the box, which is a little big. Huh. Alright, let's see what this bit is. What the fuck is that black thing? That kind of scares me. It kind of looks like a dead beetle. Our little skull of the box is another puppy. So we have a smaller puppy this time, like a little baby puppy. Not a little baby puppy. What the fuck? But you know, it's just a little puppy that's so tiny. Oh my god. Look at that little thing. I kind of want to breathe. Okay. Let's get the other one. So for comparison, this is the puppy skull that we got last time, and this is the little puppy skull that we got this time. Which, you know, I'm not gonna be disappointed with puppy skulls. I don't care if they give me a few more of these. I will be happy. I'll have little puppies everywhere. I mean, living in an apartment, this is kind of the only way that you can have puppies. But, oh my gosh, he's so cute! Let's go ahead and first read the information that's on the card. And that information says, the domestic dog is believed to be a direct descendant of modern wolves. Dogs have been bred as pets for thousands of years, within the earliest known domestication taking place as long as 12,000 years ago. Today, dogs serve man in many ways, as dog guides, as search and rescue, hunting purposes, to sniff out drugs or other contraband, and even track criminals. There are over 400 recognized breeds, ranging from Chihuahua as the smallest example to Irish Wolfhound as the largest. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, this thing is the card of the box, which I did go over in a previous episode, considering it's probably the same information as the domestic dog, but I'll give a little bit of the same information. Again, the interesting points, I guess. So, from class, order, family, genus, and species, we have Mammalia, Carnivora, Canidae, Canis familiaris. Diet Carnivora, range world. This bone box delivers to you the juvenile domestic dog. Selective breeding has resulted in a variety of physical characteristics or phenotypes found in domestic dogs. The skull is that of a juvenile and may show evidence of recent formed bone tissue, a process called ossification. During this process, the tissue undergoes calcification and layers of bones are created. Another difference between a juvenile and an adult domestic dog is the presence of deciduous teeth, also known as milk teeth. which they're a little hard to show on here, so I know I'm not going to be able to get that on camera. I'm sorry. These teeth are the first set of teeth in the growth development of many animals. Open the jaw and look behind each tooth. You may see another tooth enclosed in the jaw beginning to emerge. These teeth will begin to fall out around 4 months of age. The last teeth will be replaced are the largest, the canine teeth, at about 6 months of age. The deciduous teeth will ultimately be replaced with 42 adult teeth. Some breeds have fewer than 42 standard adult teeth. Some breeds, like the Shih Tzu or Pug, have a smaller palate and cannot accommodate as many permanent teeth because of all the inbreeding, because they're not really supposed to be an animal. Bugs aren't supposed to be a thing. Anywho, that concludes my box and that little rant. And I hope you guys have a lovely day. I know I definitely enjoyed it. Love it. Oh, and the skull was priced at $48, which completely overcomes the price of the total box, which this box is $24.99 per month. And yes, they do keep it on the $.99. It's very interesting, but that is what it comes down to in your bank. So that's just a little heads up. Hope you guys have a good day, my little vultures. I hope you have a good Friday the 13th. Bye-bye.